Good morning students. So in today's class I am starting chapter number 6, which is input in Java using a scanner class. So there are the many ways for input our data in Java. These are mostly three ways is basically used for input. Number first is initializing our data. So this is called a fix program. When you will execute a program more than one time, that will give a same result because the value will be fed in a program using first statement using the initialization. Second one, you can also feed a data from the user using a function or using a method with parameters, but in this case the message will not display what type of data and what information we are feeding into the program, such as the suppose we want to display the enter name of a student, so this message will not display in case of the parameter. So in previous chapter we have made all the programs with the help of parameters. And the third ways is a input a data using a scanner class, in which we will use the one extra class, inbuilt extra class in programming language, and this class is inside a package java.util. Util is stand for utility package. So first we have to import the package utility, then we can use the scanner class. In scanner class we can give the message to the user before input a data. For scanner class you have to require to create an object of that class. So the statement for that is scanner, then object name or a variable name equal new scanner system dot in. So the example of this scanner, the object is a ob new scanner system dot in. Or we can also write this statement in two ways: scanner scr, in next line scr equal new scanner system dot in. And these are the function of scanner class. Number first is next sort function. So when we want to input our data, sort data type in case of integer, then we will use a next sort function. So this will be used as, suppose the object of scanner class is ob, so ob dot next sort, so this will be stored in the variable that should be placed left hand side of that statement. In case of integer, the statement will be next integer, so it is used for integer data using a scanner. Next long is used for input a long integer data from scanner class. Next double for double type of data. So the variable should be placed on the left hand side to double type. And there are the two function. Number first is a next and second is a next line. Both these function is used for a string data, but there is a difference. In case of next, this will read only a single word. When space will come, so this will not take the data after that. So next is only used for read a single word from a user, whereas in case of next line you can feed a single word or a multiple word. So we can say next line is used for read a sentence from a user. And the caret of 0, this function is used for read a single character from a user. And before the use of scanner class you have to import a util package. So the statement for that is import java.util.star, or we can also write the import java.util.scanner. So here I am showing the one example in which we are inputting our data from a scanner. So first statement will be import java.util.star or scanner class example2 public void accept. This is the function in which we want to first we will make the object of class scanner, so scanner br equal new scanner system dot in, and there are the two category of data, n1 is an integer type and n2 is a long type. Now the statement before that, we are printing a message, enter an integer number, so n1 equal br dot next integer, that is the statement for input an integer number. In case of second, input a long number, n2 equal br dot next long, so this is the statement for read a data from user at console in long data type, and we are printing here the value of the integer number is n1 and the long integer number is n2. And this is the screen. First the message will come, enter a integer number, the next statement will be execute till when the user is not input a integer data, or if you are giving a different category of data, then system will display an error message on screen.